What's up guys, it's me JC, and I know that this is not the usual content that I create for my channel or for my page. But anyhow, I'd like to introduce to you Meta Rayban Smart Glasses. Let's unbox this together. So guys, I do have here a sealed box of the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses or smart glasses. So this is still sealed because I received this as a Christmas gift from my sister who's currently in the US. So although I do own here a Ray-Ban sunglasses, but these are not the smart ones. So I bet that as a content creator, these smart sunglasses by Ray-Ban in collaboration with Meta is a good innovation. So let's unbox this together and do an ASMR if I can. Yeah? See, it's still sealed and it's in black. Although the barcode is here with my personal information, but for the barcodes here, it's just about the sunglasses itself. So it's still sealed. I hope it will be that satisfying when it will be unboxed. Hold on. Oh. Yeah. It says listen, call, live stream. Nice. Okay. Let me just move that away. Excuse me, wayfarers or wayfarer. And for the box, listen, call, live stream. So it's in different languages. And then, ooh, the box or the items inside are really premium, or it feels so premium. So what I see here, okay. So this is the leather case. And I think, of course, the sunglasses is inside. Well, that's the things that you can see here. And there's a barcode. It says MetaView app. It's not a barcode, but it's a QR code where you have to download that app for you to use the smartwatch. So what they have here is the cloth or the cleaning cloth for your sunglasses. And guys, just one tip when it comes to using your Wayfarers. Always use the cloth that is provided by Ray-Ban so that you will avoid, unnecessary scratches or minor scratches on your sunglasses. Well, this, of course, user manual. And this one, another safety warranty. Okay, so much for that. Let's try to move the box here and the manual and the cloth. Well, for this one, it smells good. So I can see on this leather case for these sunglasses, on the bottom part, it's a USB-C charging port. Because we are having the smart sunglasses, and it turns on every time that you open it. Cool. Nice. I'm kind of shaking. Okay, there's like a plastic tab here where you can pull it out and then open or get it. The smart sunglasses. To be honest with you guys, this is a good collaboration between the two. Because let me just get the cloth. Because The leather case feels so premium, and I bet that this part, the bulging part, is the battery that would charge your smart glasses. So let me close that. And for the weight, if I'm gonna compare it with my actual Wayfarers, yeah, this one is also lightweight. Amazing. Yeah, nice. Okay, and for the actual sunglasses, yeah, for the glasses itself, the weight, you cannot feel any difference. It's almost the same weight, but it has like a thicker earpiece. I bet because of the speakers as well as the microphones and the camera or the camera gear. Yeah, it's still lightweight. And how does it look good on me? Does it look good on me? Yeah. So the camera is here, I bet. The camera is here. And the other side would be either the light or the light indicator that it's currently recording. And what else? Oh, here are speakers. Speakers here on the right part of the earpiece. Not sure if you can clearly see it. And I also noticed that on the nose piece, there's this hole right here, and I believe that this is like either a microphone or also a speaker. So please do follow me for us to continue on reviewing these sunglasses by Ray-Ban in collaboration with Meta. It's a Wayfarer Smart Glasses. So please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to this channel or this page so that you'll see more of my experience with this Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer Smart Glasses.